What's up, you Jags? Welcome back to the channel. Last week I promised yins I'd be doing a project. Well, I'm still doing a project, and today I'm gonna be making a boogie board. No, wait a second. A busy board, okay. I was about to say, the only thing we have around here is creeks and mountains. We don't have no beaches, unless you count race time, that is. Anyway, it's basically a panel with a bunch of mechanical junk glued and screwed to it. Something that our son, Grant Man, can figure out the intricacies of life with. So let's get addicted to learning how stuff works, like Dad. Let me show you what we're working with here. Holy sh! We got a couple bendy grabbers. A zipper. We've got a doorstop. Boing. We've got a screwdriver, okay? A planetary bevel bearing with a dowel rod to match. A little mini tape measure, isn't that cute? We've got a swivel caster. We've got a couple buckles. Gotta say that 5 times fast. Couple buckles. Can't do it, huh? We've got a lamp holder, keyless lamp holder. I'm gonna put an LED, plastic LED bulb in that. I've also got a door knocker, a magnifying glass. Got a couple hinges. Also got a padlock, an LED camo light switch, a hook and eye, okay, a spigot valve. I think that'd be kind of cool. Show a little guy how to do some plumbing. And a barrel bolt lock. There we go, bolt action barrel lock. So the first thing we gotta do is we gotta build a panel. Let's build a panel. I got a bunch of plywood here, so let's get to it. By the way, shout out to my cousin Dan for the clamps. You really can't have enough. Now, we're gonna let that dry and we'll be back out here again tomorrow, and then we can finish it, stain it, paint it, whatever we're gonna do to this thing, and then we can put all the trinkets on it. Well, it's the next morning, so good morning. Today, I realized that edge gluing plywood probably wasn't the best idea. We gotta put some cauls on it and probably like glue those cauls to it. So I'm gonna go do that. But first, I need a haircut real bad. What? You thought I was gonna shave the beard, didn't you? Out to the shop.
the town all night. Starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something along the way.
And if you haven't already, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and the little bell so you get notified when I come out with new content. I'm going to continue petting my puppy dog here, and we'll see you on the next video.